In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for blogs prompts. Let's get started. I begin by opening up ChatGPT in my web browser to start crafting my content layout. I click directly on the main message input bar at the bottom center of the screen so I can type out my initial detailed instructions. I need a comprehensive outline for an SEO-optimized blog post, so I type in a prompt asking the AI to act as an expert SEO content strategist. I specify that the blog post should be about remote work productivity tips for beginners. I instruct it to include an attention-grabbing introduction hook, 4 main body sections with specific H2 and H3 subheadings, an optimized target keyword placement strategy, a concluding section, and a clear reader engagement question. And click the black up arrow icon to send the prompt to the AI. It creates a structured layout starting with the target keyword, followed by list items for secondary keywords, a proposed SEO title, a meta description, and a structured introduction section with an attention-grabbing hook. As it keeps writing, it details the main body headings starting with H2. Build a productive remote work environment, along with its specific H3 subheadings for creating a dedicated workspace, minimizing distractions, and investing in tools. It moves on to generate H2 master time management while working remotely, detailing subheadings for schedules, time blocking, and prioritizing tasks. Then, it outputs H2, stay focused and avoid productivity killers, breaking it down into managing digital distractions, the Pomodoro technique, and managing energy. Next, it writes H2, develop long-term remote work success habits, with subheadings covering daily goals, communication, and work-life balance. Finally, it creates a conclusion section with key takeaways, a reader engagement question, and maps out an explicit SEO keyword placement strategy alongside recommended keyword density guidelines. I scroll down the screen slowly to review all the generated parts of the outline, checking the structure and keywords. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.